Cyprus is full of incredible food, but not everything is worth your appetite. A while back I shared what you should and shouldn't eat in Cyprus, and you all loved it. So here's part 2 with even more deliciousness to try and a few to skip. Let's start with something cooked on the governor, charcoal, because nothing says Cyprus like sheftalias. Juicy pork or lamb mince wrapped in cool fat, smoky and rich. And if you want a double meat hit, how about ordering a mix when you get your next sheftalia? You'll get your succulent, juicy pork pieces and sheftalias in your bitter. Either way, if you try sheftalias, get a side of Tashi because the two pair perfectly together. Which takes us nicely to our next food to try, Tashi. Tashi is the one dip you need to try when in Cyprus. Creamy sesame, sour lemon and pungent garlic. It's rich and nutty and perfect with bread, meat and especially chips. I've got the recipe for this one on my channel if you want to give it a go. It's super easy. You heard me just mention chips, so yeah, I'm going there with the humble Cypriot potato because Cyprus chips fry different from your usual potato. They are crisp, golden and fluffy on the inside, and for me, pure childhood on a plate. Now if you're visiting in the summer, you have to try salty halloumi with sweet batiha watermelon. It sounds unusual, but the combination is magic. Refreshing, juicy and pure Cyprus sunshine. But when choosing halloumi, you have to be careful. Make sure it's not grilling cheese and preferably it doesn't contain cow's milk. The best halloumi is made from goat's or sheep's milk or a combination of the two. You can tell if it's real halloumi by doing the halloumi bend test. If it doesn't break and only bends, that shows it's rubbery grilling cheese. And the absence of fresh or dried mint is another indicator to save your appetite and go elsewhere for your halloumi. For those of you wanting something bolder, there's baston, spiced beef that's garlicky and powerful. It's not for everyone, but if you love strong flavors, you'll be hooked. It's delicious dipped in dashi and tzatziki. There are a lot of meat dishes in Cyprus and they pair nicely with a Greek salad on the side. Crisp cucumbers, sweet tomatoes, umami olives, heated onions, bitter peppers, and the icing on the cake or salad, salty crumbly feta, all topped with golden olive oil and sour vinegar to give you a Cypriot zumi your bread will dive into again and again. This salad goes with everything, and if you are lucky to have a sprinkling of salty capers on top, even better. I have the easiest Greek salad recipe on my channel. If you want to give it a try at home, I'll link the recipe down below. On a hot day, cool down at the locals with some mahalepi, a chilled cornflour pudding drenched in rose syrup and served with ice. This is such a simple yet powerful dessert, but not everyone's cup of tea. If you want to give it a try before you get to Cyprus, I'll leave my easy recipe below. Another refreshing treat you definitely need to try is the Cypriot pomegranate. Sweet, tangy and incredibly Moorish, the dark-skinned pomegranates house the deep red seeds which are really sweet, whereas the paler-skinned pomegranates have seeds that are lighter and clear and taste more sour. My favourite. Pomegranates are my number one favourite big snack. I can eat containers of them in one sitting. If you've watched my Instagram stories, you'll see I take a container to the beach every day. That's how much I love them. Let's go back to something savoury. There's Cyprus's herby meatball. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside and flavoured with grated potatoes. Köftedes always remind me of home cooking. They are Cypriot comfort food. And to wash all this deliciousness down, how about a glass full of ice cold homemade lemonade? Tart, sweet and made with Cyprus's incredible lemons, nothing beats it. Everyone wants to bring back a little souvenir or a taste back from their holidays, and a popular choice in Cyprus is lokumia, Cyprus' version of Turkish delights. You'll see boxes of lokumia in every tourist shop, but honestly, most are mass-produced and taste nothing like the fresh version. They are overly sweet and a bit disappointing. If you want them, go for fresh homemade ones from village shops. They are on another level. We tried rose, bergamot and chocolate here, and they tasted amazing. Last but not least, you've got to try a yes takistes. No meze is complete without a yes takistes. Cracked green olives marinated with coriander, lemon and garlic. Tangy, salty, addictive, and yes, I have a recipe for these on my channel if you want to give them a go. And that's my guide on what to eat and what to skip in Cyprus part 2. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'll also leave the links to my Tashi, Greek salad, mahalepi and the yes takistes below, as well as my Greek Cypriot playlist, which contains more savoury meals, treats, desserts and drinks. You name it, is there. So that's linked below for you. On a hot day, can you hear it? An ice cold glass of Halloumi. Drinks, you name it. As well as my Greek Cypriot playlist, which contains savoury bakes, desserts. What? What's that? What? Tutti. And that's my guide on what to eat and what to skip in Cyprus part 2. Sweet batiha. Watermelon. Look at his crusty car. That car again. Which takes us nicely to our actually chips. Oh my days. Tashi is the one dip. Again. Oh, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share, and if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!